Hi, welcome to the channel Akila Wonders, where I travel for fun and for work, living outside my Nissan Rogue. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more adventures. Good morning. So it's Sunday and we're in Laguna Beach. I stayed outside of a church school and parked on the other side where the apartments were, so it was a nice and safe, quiet area. Then I woke up, went to Walmart, picked up some stuff. I got some fruits. I'm gonna make oatmeal, water, ice. But first thing first, I need to wash my face and brush my teeth. To do that, we're gonna take this car USB travel mug. It's a heater. I'm gonna boil some water. So I already poured it. I'll put you guys right here. Okay. We plugged it in here. Leave the car running. Do not do this when the car's not running. I don't have an inverter, so it will deplete the battery. So right now we'll put it on 70 degrees. I don't need to burn my face. Sorry. So that was 70 degrees. It's 8:11 a.m. and it takes about like 20 minutes to do that. And then I'm gonna do it again because I'm gonna get some water from my oatmeal, and I'm gonna boil some milk from my oatmeal, and then we're gonna have a breakfast by the ocean. It is actually raining in California, so which is good. I'm gonna stay cozy. I have the bed set up. Let's go look. I put it down and then I'm like, nah, I'm not doing anything today. I'm just relaxing. I did not just hit my head. No, that was not what that looked like. Ice. They only sell like big 10-pound bags. Food storage. To make my oatmeal, it's a micro mug. Oatmeal. That's for that. And then I'm gonna lie up in the bed and have my oatmeal and go to sleep. I'm gonna be napping today. And I napped yesterday. Ugh. It's just one of those weekends. Just one of those weekends. Get out. I'm gonna walk the beach and a little bit later. I don't know. I like it when it's like cold and there's not a lot of people out. So next couple of clips is gonna be the rest of this weekend. I think I'm gonna have to go back to San Juan Crispiano. I know I said it wrong. And I think I'm gonna have to, because the footage, my battery died. It just died. So I have to go back. Alright. That's enough rambling. See you in the next clip. Alright. It is now 8:22. So that's 10 minutes. It's climbing up 65. And let's see if it's boiling inside. Got a little steam on there. Not there. And it's better when you use like room temperature water. So I don't know if you can hear it. It's boiling now. That's a lot of steam. And that's gonna be good enough for my face. And now you have some warm water to wash your face. And that's it. And I'm gonna save some of the other water for my tea and oatmeal. Okay, brush my teeth. And I wash my face. Okay. We got the travel mug, microwavable mug, but we don't have a microwave. So we're gonna take this cream of wheat, and all we have to do is empty the packet into a bowl, then add 2/3 of boiling water, which we have. I'm gonna heat it up real good. Then we have this expensive vanilla chai. It's a soy. I think it's vegan. What is it? Yeah. It's a soy milk. It's vegan. It's dairy free. Okay. Get some of that. Make it nice and sweet. Water's boiling again. We can unplug it. Trying to make a mess. What we're gonna add is some cookies as like granola toppings, because I forgot to pick up granola. And then we're gonna have some fruits, because fruit does a body good. And okay, silverware. It's getting a little. Just gonna add just a little bit. I do have some agave. Let's see how it tastes first. Definitely need some agave. Agave. I am stronger than the package. Nice and light. It's not like super sweet. And that's it. I'm just gonna go to the ocean and have some breakfast by the ocean. I do have some tea. I have to make some tea. Should I make it now? Let's just make it now. Got some tea here. Cute little tea bags. Smell amazing. Water. I know this is like not super exciting. And I have some lemon juice in the back. Have that seat. Okay. Oatmeal, tea, check. Now we're gonna head over to the water. Okay, are you guys coming to have breakfast with me? All right, let's find a spot. There's not like 10 million pigeons out here. I mean, seagulls. I'm a New Yorker. They all remind me of pigeons. It is greedy. Okay. It's wet. I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast and then I'm gonna take a nap. You see that little VW bus? Van life.
2 hours later.
I think that's it. More beach over here. This is not Hawaii. I'm not climbing over no rocks to get to the other side. I think you have to walk above it. So, still cool. Alright guys, so towards lunchtime we did go to Ruby's Auto Diner, which was a nostalgic diner, and it was pretty good. And right before we left, we did go to Randy's Donuts and got some sweets. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.